If your printer consistently have this problem that cannot load from the cassette number 2, let the printer print. Remove the duplexer so you can see this thing called the pick-up arm. See the 2 black roller on the arm? When the printer try to roll up the paper, see if that wheel is turning. For this one, it's not turning. Now we get underneath the printer, remove the paper tray, and if your white tray is in there, you can just drag that white tray all the way to your right, like this. Just drag it out. There are 2 levers. One is this white lever, is going to prevent it coming from too far. There's a black lever. It's easier to remove the black lever first. Just hold it, pull it straight out, like this. After the black lever is removed, it's easier to show you this white lever. So you can turn this rod and see the white lever. So you make it to the highest point, and then you flip this pickup arm. Easy peasy. You can see this PFG, short for pickup feed gear. PFG is missing a couple teeth. There are 2 big PFGs and 2 small PFGs on the arm. You only need to replace the one that's broken. You're going to find the 2 screws on the side. Those are Phillips number 2 screws. Get a Phillips screwdriver, remove those 2 screws, and slowly pull the arm apart. Make sure don't force it, otherwise you're going to get gear flying everywhere. This is the broken one. We're going to work on this one. So we got this BCH replacement PFG. Make sure you buy the big one, not smaller one, because this broken one is the big one. And just put it on and push it down. This wheel is kind of like a triangle that has 2 like little arms, which correspond to 2 little arms on the rod. You want just to put it on and see how it fits. Basically, it has directions to put it in. That you can roughly put in the correct position on the other side of the arm and put it back. 2 more screws. You want to give a couple rotations, make sure it works. The arms sort of have 2 little hands. One hand is bigger than the other. The smaller hand goes to the smooth side of the rod, and the bigger hands go to the rough side of the rod. Leave the white tab as high as you can, and then flip the arm so the white tab can fit in the slot, press down the arm. The black lever, one side has a tab that goes into that hole on the arm. Once you insert it, press down as hard as you can until it clicks. 2 taps, so you make sure both of them are locked. Here's how it works. So when you have a paper tray in, cassette number 2 in, it's going to press this white lever, and the white lever is going to release the arm. The arm going to touch the paper. But when you have the CT tray installed, you don't have a paper to pick up. So CT tray is going to press this black lever, and that's going to retrieve the arm. That's the whole thing, what it is. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit us at bchtechnologies.com or locally Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.